You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. From anatomy, if you want to learn more medical terms that are confusing indeed, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you want to listen to and learn from at the end of this video. Two different pronunciations there are, I'm afraid, in English that are both correct, so that's good news in a way. Sacroiliac, or, and that's more the American English pronunciation, I believe, US, how to pronounce sacroiliac. Yes, so both pronunciations are correct indeed. Sacroiliac or sacroiliac. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.